in the night, walking in the dark. I saw something there.
What?
And I stop and say,
Oh,
look, there's something in the dark,
dark.
moving really fast.
Moving fast.
And it was
Dark.
really, really dark.
Really dark.
Really, really dark. So I really couldn't see what it was. But it was dark. Really, really dark.
Really, really dark.
And I just want to say,
What do you want to say?
the Dark Knight
Was dark?
was really tight. It was really, really tight. And I'm getting a headache. No!
Good boy.
I got big ears. Look at that. Look at my ear.
I got my eyes on you.
I can hear you.
I got my eyes on you.
Oh, Jen, what's wrong with your eye?
Got my eyes on you.
What's wrong with my forehead?
Your forehead.